Guys, yet another quality 350Z install vid coming your way, this time the Z33, 350Z, V35, and G35 diff brace. So, what do you get in the box? First, you get the subframe insert, which is inserted into the subframe to not only locate and secure the diff brace, but it also adds some strength to the OEM subframe. Bonus! Next, we have the hardware that mounts the brace to the subframe, as well as the hardware that mounts the brace to the diff itself. And certainly something not to be left out is the actual brace. This unit will fit the OEM and Nismo diff covers, if you were baller enough to get that. And if you're running another aftermarket cover, you may need to mod the brace to fit. Just an FYI. Now, why on earth is this bracket so beefy, you might ask? Well, 2 words. Luke Fink. Because why wouldn't you drive the car hard enough to blow your diff out the back whilst ripping barefoot around your local track? Exactly. Fully sent, Luke. Now, if you do want to send it like Luke and clutch kick till the cows come home, the one thing that likes to let loose is that stud we've been talking about that holds the diff to the subframe. So let's support it like we all know it should have been from the factory. To install, unbolt the 2 diff cover bolts that we have so kindly shown you right here. Toss the brace up, and get the 2 long studs, 2 washers, then hand tighten those long johnnies in and snug them on down so the brace just isn't sitting there all willy-nilly. Now, install the insert through the subframe from the back of the car to the front, slip the other long bolt through the subframe and the brace, install the washer and nut, toss a wrench on the back, then tighten and torque to these settings shown right here. Now move back over to the diff cover bolts and torque those down to these settings as well. Now go out and clutch kick with the best of them, knowing deep down that you're a multi-stud kind of guy. Speaking of studs, we aren't, but we pretend hard AF, fam. Go give us a sub. If you can't install this, have a pro do it so we can charge you 4 hours for a 10-minute job, or reach out with any questions. This has been Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and Zach with a silent C up front with another Gktech how-to. Peace.